Like I said, 2 rears is the last ones we have to do. Then we'll be done for today. We will be done recording for today. And I've done a lot today. I fixed my radio too, but I did it off camera. My uncle helped me, and my uncle helped me put them rally caps on. So he left. Now I gotta try and do this myself, because I literally just got it on. There you go. There you go. Just like it. From these to this. These to this. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, the car is coming along really good, you know? Really good. So like I said, we need to change the front Euro clip. Now we got the wheels on. Just gotta find an actual set of wheels that we want to put on here, but these rally wheels really do the job for now, you know. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now this video, we are finally going to be changing the wheels out on this car, because these wheels that are on this car right now are a little too big, you know what I'm saying? A little bit too big, you feel me? When I turn, they rub, and it ain't even the wheel, it's more so the tires are a little too thick, you know. So we're gonna be changing out these wheels and tires and putting on my rally wheels that was on my box Chevy on here. Same bolt pattern, gonna bolt straight up. So we're gonna put them wheels on this car, and we shouldn't have no more rubbing turning, you know what I'm saying? When we turn it, our turning radius should be better. Like I said, no more rubbing, everything should be good. So we're gonna be throwing those on this car. We're gonna be throwing the rally caps on there as well, and make the car look a little bit better, you know, until I find me a custom set of wheels. And like I said, I want me a custom set of probably 22s. I want to go 24s, but I don't want to cut on this car, so it might be OV for the 24s, you know. I don't want to cut on this car, and I hate that my box Chevy was cut on, so I don't want to cut on that car no more either, you know. So yeah, we're just gonna rock out with these rally wheels for now, which they look good anyways on G bodies and box Chevy, so they look good anyway. So we're gonna rock out with them. Like I said, we're gonna be throwing them on this car, and I hope y'all excited, you feel me? Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way. I'll be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing, elevating together. And yeah, I need to go ahead and jack up the car, loosen up the lug so we can get ready to take these wheels off, and we're gonna rock out like that, you know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all enjoy this video. We finally gonna be throwing them rally wheels on here. I know a few of y'all was telling me to, like, shout out to my boy Travis. He told me, and it looked really good on this car. And since I went ahead and took them off the box, I figured why not go ahead and put them on here. And them wheels not that cheap, you know. I think I seen the set going online. I think they're like $700–800, so they not that cheap. So we're gonna be throwing them on this car, and I think they'll look a lot better than the wheels that are on here now. So I'm finna get out, show y'all the wheels that's on here now, show y'all how big them tires is, and I'm gonna show y'all my rally wheels, and we're gonna be putting them on this car now. So catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so I gotta be sort of quick because we're running out of daylight, and I still gotta drive this car back home. But if y'all look and see, the front two are on, and bro, they look good. I like these rally wheels on here. Y'all let me know what y'all think. And I just gotta do now just the rear two, as y'all say, 2 wheels here. And like I say, they look a lot better. My rally wheels look a whole lot better than these, so that's a plus. And one of these I replaced the valve stem on. This one, I think, look like that one, I don't know, but these tires are done. So I needed to get these off anyways. But yeah, man, it's like, as y'all see, we got one. We just need to do the backs now. So let's come over here. As y'all see, front two, this tire is a little low. I need to put some air in it. So I need to make sure I remind myself to do that, put some air in that tire. Like I said, 2 rears is the last ones we have to do. Then we'll be done for today. We will be done recording for today. And I've done a lot today. I fixed my radio too, but I did it off camera. My uncle helped me, and my uncle helped me put them rally caps on. So he left. Now I gotta try and do this myself. But yeah, let's go ahead and finish doing this. Put this wheel on the back. Brace y'all ears for impact. Let me know if y'all got that joke. Sort of joke. You know what I'm saying? Brace y'all ears for impact. People say when you like landing and stuff. Alright. Raise the car back up. Alright, throw these off. And let's throw the rally wheels back on. Well, not back on, but on. You know what I'm saying? Let's throw the rally wheels on. And y'all don't worry about the frame. I will be doing that, but I'm not doing it until we come back from the shop. So once we go to the shop, when we get it back, I'm going to be doing the frame and the calipers. You know what I'm saying? Until I get me some disc brake. Well, some regular brakes and calipers, you know? So yeah, don't worry about the frame and stuff. We will be doing it, but for now, we're not gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do it, like I said, once it come back from the shop, we're gonna work on doing the frame. I still need to do the frame on my box Chevy as well. Have not done it yet. Who I'm out of breath. Doing these wheels, man, I'm trying to rush because, like I said, we're losing daylight. So I'm trying to finish. Don't forget your start pattern. I got my wheel lock on. Alright. And then now we gotta let the car down a little bit. There we go. Let it down a little bit. And we're gonna tighten these down. And I know I still need to get a torque wrench, but for now we'll be alright. I'll get one. Plus, they don't be too hard for me to come off anyways. I've been doing these for so long now, changing wheels, changing tires. It's like a 10-minute job. You know what I'm saying? Alright, yeah. Hopefully I can get this done on camera. Because I literally just got it going. There we go. There you go. Just like that. And it's on. Y'all see? Let me know what y'all think about the rally wheels on the Cutlass. It's gonna be the new look. Now I still gotta put the last one on, but y'all get the image. Y'all let me know what y'all think. How y'all feel about the rally wheels. I definitely want to give me a picture with these wheels on there, because this car looks so good with these rally wheels. Yes sir, buddy. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. So like I said, I still gotta put that last one on. I just wanted to make sure I recorded at least one of them getting put on. So yeah, plus it's a lot easier for me doing them caps now. So because y'all know when I did with the box Chevy, I struggled. But yeah, got these on, and I'm using a rubber mallet, so y'all don't gotta complain about me messing up the caps or nothing. But yeah, man, rally wheels on the Cutlass. I need to air up that one tire, but let me throw this last one on so I can close this video out. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Like I said, we went from these to this, these to this. You know what I'm saying? It was definitely time to get these off. Plus these wheels are too big and bulky, and like I said, when I turn, it'll rub. So yeah, I had to make sure I didn't cut the wheel too hard. But I like these rallies on her anyways. Like them a lot better. And like I said, these are gonna be for now until I can get a custom set of rims or something. I definitely want me a set of like 22s. I really want some spoke wheels, but yeah, for now I ain't in no rush to get no wheels. I'm more so wanting to get this car finished, like fabrication wise. So yeah, let me do that other side, get that other wheel off, do the other side, and yeah, come back to y'all in a second. Alright y'all, so I am now fully finished. I done cleaned up and everything. The car is ready to roll, you know what I'm saying? So now we got the rally wheels on the car, which I think look 1,000 times better than them other wheels that was on there, which were not the OEM wheels. They were just, I guess, some wheels to throw on there, you feel me? But we got these 14-inch rally wheels on the car. I think I said 15 in the beginning, but it's definitely a 14. It's not a 15, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I wanna, let's go ahead and show y'all, you feel me? Let's just show y'all. Let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about the rally wheels on here. Definitely look a lot better, you know, than them other wheels that was on here. Definitely look a lot better. So all I really gotta do is clean them up, but this whole car needs to be clean, and I need to throw that trim on, because making the vinyl look a little worse than really what it is, even though it is bad. But yeah man, this is the car, like I said, in one frame. We still need to change that front bumper, or the Euro clip. We need to change that, get that done. But other than that, man, the car is coming along really good, you know, really good. So like I said, we need to change the front Euro clip. Now we got the wheels on. Just gotta find an actual set of wheels that we want to put on here. But these rally wheels really do the job for now, you know. They really do what really needs to be done for now, and get them other wheels off, which is something that I, like I said, really needed to do. And if we get up close, the rally wheels are gray, and say Chevy Motors. It's an Oldsmobile, but it's still a part of Chevrolet, you know. I really like these rally wheels. I don't know, they grew on me. I didn't like them when I first bought my box Chevy, but these wheels really grew on me. And like I said, when I turn, I shouldn't rub anymore. And y'all know I got this trim here, so we ain't worried about that. And no rust, just surface rust right there from that bolt, but ain't no rust on here. This car is actually in really good shape, you know. It's just the interior from, you know, the T-tops leaking, so it went straight into the carpet. The carpet kept the moisture and made the floors worse, you know. And then a little bit on the frame, but like I said, we're gonna clean that up after the car gets back from the shop. But yeah man, this is something I'm really excited and happy I did put these rally wheels on this car, because it definitely made this car look a lot better. And for those of y'all that stuck around, go ahead and show y'all the box one more time on the 6s. Y'all know I got the regulator coming in, so I'm just waiting on that to come in. But man, it rained today and no water went into the doors. You can see the door's not heavy, you don't hear no waters. Look at that man, I'm telling you now, I'm glad I went ahead and did that as well. Look at that, the water stayed there. Y'all see it? Water stayed there. I'm glad I did it. Shut the door. I gotta plug the battery back up to be able to pull the car back. I unplugged it after because I knew I was gonna be on this car all day. But yeah, one more time man, y'all see it, y'all see the stance. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the rally wheels going on the Cutlass. Yep. And this the back. I think I need shocks too. This car a little bouncy. But yeah man, this the back of the car with the wheels. So yeah man, I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one. This is really, I'm done recording for today. Ain't nothing else I'm gonna be recording for today. You know what I'm saying? Tomorrow I'm gonna try it. I might go to the store, see if I can find some of that, the rust in the dirt, Rust-Oleum, and then the frame spray. I'm probably gonna try to do some of the frame on the box Chevy tomorrow. If not, I'm gonna probably take the day off, because I've been recording and doing so much on these cars these past 2 weeks. I've been doing so much, man. I'm so exhausted. I need a little break, so I might take tomorrow off, But then again, knowing me, I like to stay ahead and I like to grind, so I'm probably not gonna take tomorrow off, you feel me? But honestly, I don't know yet. I guess I'll see when I wake up in the morning, you feel me? So yeah, but I do appreciate y'all for being here with me on this long, very long journey, you know what I'm saying? We got the rally wheels put on the car. We got the exterior of the car fully done. The only thing that needs to be done back here is them seats, you know what I'm saying? We got all the trim, we got the headliner, we got the third brake light. I need to still try to find a socket. I've been looking, I can't find one. So literally the entire rear of the car is done. Next, I'm gonna try to, I got some stuff to go, like I've been seeing videos of people using some stuff. I already ordered this in the box down there that they put on here, and basically use the heat gun, heat it up, and then paint it, you feel me? So I'm gonna try that, see if that works, because ain't nobody selling just the, I only need just this pad. I don't need the whole center console. So we're gonna be repainting this console as well. I'm gonna pull the trim out so they don't get paint on them, and I'm gonna try to see if I can restore them a little bit, you feel me, by cleaning them. I don't know, y'all see my hands? That's a long day of a working man, you know what I'm saying? Got a lot done. And like I said, I fixed my radio so the memory stay, thanks to my uncle helped me out. And y'all know we painted the door panels, just gotta throw them in, gotta get these done and wrapped both sides. And I do want to find me another salon badge for this side, you know what I'm saying? And then we gotta get the seats done, throw my dash in, my dash cover. Like I said, man, it ain't, if we look at it, yeah, it's a lot still need to be done, but I have everything. I already got everything. I just gotta throw it in the car, you know? Like I said, today was really productive. We did a lot today. Put the rear deck speakers in, mounted them up, cleaned up the trunk, put my interior pieces in, and we just put on the rally wheels. So like I said, real productive day. And it's 7 o'clock now, and I started at 1:30. A long productive day. So hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Comment down below what y'all think about the rally wheels. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all on the next one.